have a story for you. It might be even a little dark at times, but I want you to hear the story. Even if you're religious or you're not, one thing you must understand, that there are certain things that are amongst us that you must understand that truly exist. And once upon a time, like I said, beautiful innocent, a person that you can see at the beginning of just seeing this person. You can see the spark of life. That's what she asked me. And I mean by the spark of life is like that person has that it. That when you look at this person, you know for a fact that this person is going to be somebody special.